West Cross Road. Then, at the end of the road, sharp right, Southbelt Line Road.
Do it.
Do what?
Get going. Like what speed you were going when you just slammed.
Definitely having a shoe problem.
That's close. Wasn't it?
Yeah.
Sharp right.
That car was coming quick. Sharp right. That was really sharp.
John, you have to do it exactly how they say. If you don't do it.
Man.
I think you're in the wrong way.
You gotta get over hard. These Texas people drive really different than we do. If you don't like it, you drive. This is stressful.
I think you're in the wrong lane.
I'll switch over again.
You got this. Are you okay? Courtney will love this video.
What's the problem, Brennan?
See, we're teaching you a lesson about seat belts. You always wear a seat belt.
After 1/4 mile.
I'm really glad I got that on tape. His head went flying.
Turn left?
Yep.
She said.
You okay?
This is why you don't wear the seatbelt.
This is why you go to college.
I just got my seatbelt was just locked and tight, and I just hit my head there.
That was a good headshot too. 500 feet.
Turn left, Frontage Road. Then, bear left, Interstate 20 westbound.
Ow! Seriously?
You okay?
Bear left.
Bear left.
Grizzly.
Then, take the freeway.
You got it, lady. You got it, dude.
Ahead, keep left.
She just said the same thing 4 different times.
Yep.
And I hate that about her. I shouldn't say hate. That's a strong word.
After 1/2 mile,
Bodybuilder
keep
word.
left,
Dislike.
Interstate 20 westbound. Then, stay in the right lane.